Hello, everyone. My name is Nario Cantu, and thank you for tuning in for the Friendly Pharmacist podcast, starting now. Hi, everyone. I'm Nario Cantu, pharmacist and owner of Cantu's Pharmacy, and welcome back to the Friendly Pharmacist podcast. Today, we're talking about a topic that has completely transformed how patients receive care, telemedicine, and more specifically, how telemedicine and pharmacy collaboration are reshaping access, convenience, and overall healthcare outcomes. Over the past few years, technology has made it possible for patients to get medical advice, prescriptions, and follow-up care faster and more conveniently than ever before. And pharmacies are playing a bigger role in that shift than most people realize. Let's start with the core of telemedicine, access. Telemedicine brings healthcare to people wherever they are, at home, at work, or on the go. For patients with busy schedules, mobility challenges, or limited access to traditional clinics, virtual visits remove barriers that used to make care difficult. You no longer need to wait weeks for an appointment or spend hours in a waiting room. Many common conditions, like infections, skin concerns, mental health issues, and chronic disease follow-ups, can be evaluated through telemedicine safely and effectively. Now, here's where pharmacy collaboration becomes so important. When telemedicine and pharmacy services work together, patients benefit on every level. Think about it. A patient can have a virtual visit, get a prescription sent directly to the pharmacy, and pick it up or have it delivered all within hours. Pharmacists then step in to counsel the patient, check for drug interactions, explain how to take the medication, and recommend additional support like OTC options, symptom relief, or ongoing monitoring. This creates a seamless, connected experience that improves outcomes and reduces stress for patients. Pharmacies are also becoming vital access points for telehealth support. In many communities, pharmacists help patients navigate telemedicine platforms, understand technology requirements, or follow through on their care plans. This makes telemedicine more inclusive, especially for patients who may be less familiar with digital tools. And through integrated platforms, pharmacists can communicate with telemedicine providers to clarify prescriptions, recommend alternatives, or alert them to potential safety issues. It's teamwork in real time. Another area where telemedicine and pharmacies align beautifully is in managing chronic conditions. Patients with diabetes, hypertension, COPD, asthma, or mental health challenges often need frequent check-ins. Telemedicine makes these follow-ups easier to attend, while pharmacies provide blood pressure monitoring, glucose checks, medication reviews, and adherence support. This type of collaboration helps patients stay consistent with their care, avoid complications, and catch issues early without needing constant office visits. Telemedicine has also opened the door for expanded access to specialty treatments, such as weight management medications, hormone therapies, dermatology treatments, and mental health medications. Pharmacists play an essential role here by educating patients, monitoring side effects, and ensuring medications are used safely. When prescribers and pharmacists work closely together, patients receive more personalized care and better outcomes. And of course, technology is continually evolving, from digital prescriptions and pharmacy automation to AI-driven triage systems and remote monitoring devices. The future of telemedicine and pharmacy collaboration will only become more integrated. Imagine a world where your wearable device alerts your pharmacist when your blood pressure trends high, or where your telemedicine provider sends personalized recommendations directly to your pharmacist's clinical services team. These innovations aren't science fiction, they're the next step in modern healthcare. What makes this future so exciting is that it puts the patient at the center. It creates a healthcare experience that is convenient, coordinated, and tailored to individual needs. Pharmacies, once seen mainly as medication dispensers, are now becoming key clinical partners. Educators, advisors, safety experts, and highly accessible members of the care team. Thank you for joining me for today's episode of the Friendly Pharmacist podcast. I'm Nario Cantu, and I hope this conversation gave you a clearer picture of how telemedicine and pharmacy collaboration are shaping the future of patient care. If you enjoyed this episode, please follow, share, and stay tuned for more conversations that keep you informed and empowered. Until next time, stay healthy, stay connected, and embrace the future of healthcare.